Yo, what's up? I'm here to break down the Forex market for you. It's like the world's biggest party where currencies are traded 24/7. Imagine a dance floor where the dollar, euro, and yen are busting moves. The value of each currency goes up and down based on supply and demand, and traders try to predict these moves to make a profit.
The most popular pair? The mighty euro to US dollar, aka the euro and the greenback. It's like the heavyweight champ of Forex. But don't forget the pound sterling to US dollar, the British pound and the US dollar, or the Japanese yen to US dollar, the Japanese yen and the US dollar. These pairs are like the middleweights, always in the ring. And for the flyweights, we got the Australian dollar to US dollar, the Aussie dollar and the US dollar, and the NZD/USD, the Kiwi dollar and the US dollar. Remember, these pairs are like dance partners, moving in sync with the market's rhythm. So, get your trading shoes on and let's tango with these currency pairs. Yo! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or requests, hit me up in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.